J&K Bank reported earnings. Numbers are strong. Stock started out 5% higher. It's cooled off though, just about 22, 23 rupees. That's about 2.5% up. 871 on J&K Bank. Mushtaq Ahmed is Managing Director and CEO at Jammu and Kashmir Bank. Joins us straight from Srinagar. Sir, thanks very much. Congratulations on a strong set of earnings, sir.
Thank you very much.
That's a rarity nowadays in banking. I want to start by asking you, what was the performance as far as Kashmir goes in this particular quarter? Just talk us through the performance in that specific region. And also, I mean, Kashmir versus non-Kashmir. What was the loan mix like? Just various parameters there. Let's start with that.
I think, first of all, let us go through the overall highlights of the results. First thing, I think you know that the profit growth has been of 31%. Last year's profit, 615 crores, has moved up to 803 crores. And the best part has been that Q4 results have been excellent one, where our profit has increased from 138 crores of last year to 208 crores, giving us 50% growth. And net interest margin, you know that it has been under pressure all across India and even the globe. But in J&K Bank, we had an excellent story. We had an excellent experience. Last year, our net interest margin was 3.70%, which has moved up to 3.84%. And the net interest margin for the fourth quarter has been 4%, which is really encouraging for us. The other thing is that as far as business is concerned, we have registered a growth of 22% in our business. The business has increased from last year's 71,000 crores to this year near 87,000 crores. Deposits, we really managed. There was a very effective and efficient liability management, and the deposits have increased by 19%. Last year's 44,600 has moved up to 53,000 crores. But on advances front, we have done very good. The growth has been 28%. Last year, 26,000 crores. Portfolio has increased to 33,000 crores. And we added 55 branches in the overall branch network. The best part has been that this provision coverage ratio of the banks has moved up by 1%, 100 basis points. It's now 93.76%. You know that Reserve Bank of India expects bank to maintain PCR of 70%, and we are much above that. So these have been highlights for our bank. And another thing is that our CASA has also moved up from 18,000 crores to 22,000 crores. That again gives us a comfort level. Now we were speaking about our business between J&K and rest of India. As far as liabilities are concerned, CASA is concerned, we have done excellent job in J&K, and we have also expanded our retail business in J&K. By and large, in J&K, we have expanded our credit portfolio by 22%, and outside, it has been slightly higher. On the whole, we have achieved that 28%.
Yes. So you said 22% in J&K.
No, I said 22% growth has been overall in overall business. It has moved up from 71,000 crores to 87,000 crores.
So J&K, what was the performance like?
J&K, I think it has remained around 25%.
Has remained around 25% for J&K. Could you just now talk about the total loan mix between J&K and the rest? Where does it stand?
Roughly it is 60-40%. 60% is outside J&K state and 40% within J&K state. Previously it was 50-50 basis. But you know that last year the government account has moved to RBI regime, and as a result of that, this ratio is slightly disturbed, and we hope that over a period of next 2 to 3 years, we will again come to that 50-50 ratio.
For the bank as a whole, what is the restructured book? And in the fourth quarter, has that moved up or has that reduced?
No, I should give you a full picture of this thing. If you see my restructured book situation, 2 years back it was something like 2,400 crores, and it has come down to say around 1300 crores, and we have made recoveries. And even out of this 1300 crores, we are covered. There are NPAs of something like 160 crores, which are covered to the extent of 135 crores.
So the restructured book now is about 1300 crores, is what you're saying?
Yes. Yes.
Right. So your gross and net NPAs are slightly down Q and Q compared to provisions which have
Yes,
shot
please.
up, which have jumped. Why is that so?
Yes. I think that as far as this gross NPAs are concerned, last year this gross NPAs were around 519 crores, which has come down slightly marginally, I should say, to 517 crores. But what in fact had happened that there were some slippage in the first 3 quarters, but we have made excellent recoveries in fourth quarter, and as a result of that, we have maintained our NPA figure below the last year's figure.
So will you maintain the dividend payout ratio? I mean, that's been pretty good.
Last year, you know that
20%
we
or
had
so.
declared a dividend.
Yes.
Last year, we had declared a dividend of 260%, maintaining 20% payout ratio. And
Yes.
this year, as a result of higher growth in our profit, we have again maintained that payout ratio. And this year, we are going to declare. We have already approved in the board dividend of 335%. But this has to be placed before annual general meeting, and after that, after its approval, we will distribute it.
Right. Okay. Got that. Thanks very much, Mr. Ahmed. Appreciate you joining in. Good luck.
Do you have the NDTV Profit app? All the markets, all the news in your own homemade, ready-made portfolio available there for you.
We will right now answer what you should sell, what you should buy when markets are down.
Download at ndtvprofit.com/apps. Get the best app from the channel you trust.